watching Green Matters. This is the show that brings you all you need to know about the environment, especially at a time when we're facing so many challenges. Well, today on the show, we're going to feature individuals and organizations across the country who are fighting to protect our environment. Here's what we have for you on the show. Well, up first, this event that was held in Pondicherry to drive home the message that our beaches are under threat from rampant development. And on the occasion, renowned sand sculptor Sudarshan Patnaik created this beautiful sand image on the beach to send across the green message.
Don't miss the irony. A sand sculpture in Puducherry, but not on the beach. That's because there's hardly any sand left here.
But remember the song, Once There Was a River, Now There's a Stone? That's exactly what's happened to this beautiful beach of Puducherry.
A fishing harbour here had already led to massive erosion. And to make matters worse, the Puducherry government and a private company were all set to construct a 2,500 crore deep sea port. Public pressure resulted in the Environment Ministry stopping the construction of all new ports in the country.
This feeling of sand and, this is something which is totally neglected today. Connection with nature.
The Puducherry government still seems to be waiting for the ban on new ports to be lifted.
Whenever the development is there, some problem will be there along with the development.
And that problem is nothing short of an environmental disaster waiting to happen if the port does come up. With camera person Palani Swami in Puducherry, Sanjay Pinto, NDTV.
The NDTV Green Campaign has partnered with the Himalayan Mountain Biking Rally. It's one of the most difficult rallies in the world. It goes from Shimla to Manali. At the same time, this rally highlights the importance of the Himalayan ecosystem. Kashish Gupta reports.
Kilometers of the most breathtaking yet unforgiving terrain right here in the heart of the Himalayas.
The race begins on what is said to be India's toughest mountain biking route, a race in several hundred kilometers steep Himalayan paths that last 10 days.
It gives you the adrenaline shot, and that's what we're all looking for.
A thrill of racing where technique is as crucial as caution, lest you get left out.
Trail is pretty tough. This is a 9-day endurance race. It's not about doing a 100-meter dash. You got to survive 9 days. So we got a punch or you fall off, it's all right. But you got to survive. The guy who's actually going to survive this 9 days is the winner. It's not the person who's the fastest guy on the bike. It's a mind game.
Among the fiercely competitive lot, we found a group of Zen bikers soaking in the scenic view. That's what pulls Dicky Bhai back to this competition year after year. He's 45 and this is his 4th trip.
Trekking is too slow. When you're on the motorbikes, it's too fast. This is like you're on the move, yet discovering new things every time.
Tuba.com